Hello, ladies and gentlemen, we are here in Kampung Baru. Today is the 13th of October 2019. You can see the address here. We are in Kampung Baru, Jalan Muda Musa, Raja Muda Musa. And this is our project done by our customer Ahmad Zaki. So as you can see, close up here, the blue 80% blue nets. Okay, we supply about 1,400 pieces here. On top of the age barrier, we are supplying about 550 sets. And the leaf core, they did not order lah. So anyway, yeah, this is a condominium by the joint venture Bandar Raya and what do you call that, Kampung Baru Resident Association lah. This project has been ongoing for 3 years. It should be ready about a year's time. And they have also bought some horizontal net system from other companies lah. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 13th of October 2019. Thank you.